Which one? This one. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today it is almost 6:15 and I am meeting up with a friend. So tonight I am meeting up with my good friend Matt. You guys might remember him from some of the really old and literally some of the first videos I've ever posted on this channel.
My name is Matt Vlogs.
And my name is BlueFierce Gaming.
Welcome to Sky Wars.
Anyways, so he is actually 1 year ahead of me, so he went to college and he's now going to be a sophomore in college. I'm going to be a freshman in college very soon, or I pretty much am already, but it was super hard to go ahead and meet up and do any planning last year because of the whole pandemic. Now things have lightened up a bit and we can finally go ahead and meet somewhere and hang out. So tonight we are going to meet up at our favorite Thai restaurant. It should be so much fun. I cannot wait, and I'm so glad I'm vlogging this experience. So let's go ahead and head out. Oh, I also would like to mention I'm still in rain. I know you guys might have seen the jersey's not there. I was wearing it earlier, so I needed to wash it. Let's go ahead and head out.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end.
Alright, made it in the car. This place is only like 6 minutes away from my house, so I don't have to leave that early. But super psyched for this, and yeah, let's go. It's Matt.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I am. How's it like being on camera again?
It's so weird.
I know. So we're deciding what we're gonna eat. Do you know what you're getting?
No. Like, no idea.
There's so many good options here.
The coconut shrimp looked good for the appetizer. Wait, where do I look? You or the camera?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Here, we can like both be in it somehow. We're getting some boba, wherever that is.
At the last page.
Last page. Here we go. Which boba are you getting?
Strawberry.
Nice. I think we're ready.
I think so, yeah.
If you're ready.
If we could just start with the appetizer for now. Oh, and also, I wanted to start with the strawberry bubble tea.
I'll also start with the raspberry bubble tea, please.
Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone, never know when you home.
It's so good.
I get unstable.